Welcome back to Autoscope 2026 Ferrari Motorhome. External design, aerodynamic and modern silhouette. The RV is expected to provide a more aerodynamic and modern design aspect while maintaining its useful modular shape for transportation. In contrast to previous generations, the Cavallino Rampante prancing horse insignia will be prominently displayed at several strategic points. Modern LED lights will illuminate it when it becomes dark. Lighting that adapts. The outdoor LED lighting system will be highly adaptable, altering color and intensity to create a range of moods day or night. Layout and interior design. The grand lobby. The entrance will lead to a spacious, elegant lobby space with light marble or high-tech composite flooring. Perhaps ambient lighting. Versatile recessed LED lighting creates a warm yet elegant atmosphere. Gourmet kitchen. The well-equipped professional kitchen that serves fine cuisine to drivers, team members, and VIP guests. Cutting-edge features and technologies. High-level connectivity for real-time racing data analysis. Wi-Fi 6E or even Wi-Fi 7 offers amazing data transfer speeds. Use of flexible solar panels mounted on the roof or in unseen locations, as well as sophisticated battery storage devices, are examples of sustainable energy management. Biometric security. Authorized personnel may use facial recognition or fingerprints to get entry to certain places. Lightweight and eco-friendly materials. To reduce weight and improve transportation efficiency while upholding sustainability commitments, use lightweight yet robust carbon fiber composite materials or recycled components. Premium audio-visual. The RV is equipped with cutting-edge audio and visual equipment, such as an interactive TV and a top-notch sound system. Centralized monitoring system. All motorhome systems, such as the audio-visual, hook, lighting, and security, may be managed centrally from a tablet or touchscreen. Communications center, equipped with state-of-the-art satellite and wireless communication systems to ensure continuous global connectivity.